Hey, hi, welcome to Hungry Yogini. Today I came up with 5 magic workout, and this workout is gonna help you to get rid from the extra fats and will help you to make your body toned and sexy. Yes, within 1 month you will see the results. I will make sure it. But do it regularly. Before doing workout, always remember basic warm-up. If you missed my basic warm-up session, you can see the link in the description. Click there and you can do. Okay, and before jumping into the 5 magic workouts, I'm gonna share you some tips which will help you to get results, fast results. I mean to say, yes. Most of the people keep on complaining, I'm doing workout but I'm not getting results immediately. Why? It's only because you are not taking care of your food, your alignment and the breathing pattern. So these 3 things are important. Always remember. Now we will start with the 5 magic workouts very soon. Before that, you can warm up your body and then you can do this. Please take out time for your at least 15 minutes. This workout is of 10 minutes, but you can take time for 15 minutes. Okay, let me walk on my tippy toes. I'm trying to walk like a catwalk, but it's not happening. Don't laugh on me. Yeah. Okay, hope you guys are ready and we're gonna start now. First workout. Yeah, stand straight, feet close together, hands by side your body. Inhale and exhale here. Keep looking forward. Yeah, take a moment. Inhaling, raise your hands up towards ceiling. Exhaling, bend forward, lengthening your spine. Make sure your spine is lengthening while bending forward. Touch the floor. Now walk with your hands at the top of your mat. Come in the plank. Make sure your body is parallel to the floor. Here you have to do normal breathing. Inhale and exhale. Core should be tight, body should be parallel. Now exhaling, drop your hips down towards floor. Keep normal breathing here. Don't hold your breath. Okay, shoulders should be away from your ear. Feet close together. Tuck your toes. Exhaling, draw your hips towards ceiling. Chin should be away from chest. You can bend your knees if it's stiff. Walk back with your hands here. Inhaling, raise your hands up towards ceiling. Exhaling, namaste. Coming to the second workout, sit in Vajrasana. Lean forward, keep your hands on the floor, knees on the floor. Come in cat pose, or you can sit in like table. Yeah, it's look like a table. Yeah. Now from here we have to go in a downward direction, but inhale and exhale here. Understand your breathing pattern and then move into next pose. Okay, now tuck your toes. Exhaling, raise your hips towards ceiling, chin away from chest. Make sure your spine and neck should be in one alignment. Okay, take a moment. Normal breathing here should be normal breathing. You can bend your knees if your legs are stiff. Make sure your back is straight and not rounded. Do not force much, be gentle. Take your time. Inhale and exhale here. Now raise your left leg up towards ceiling. Here you should not open your hips. Make sure you are not opening your hips. Now bring knee to the elbow. Right elbow you can say, or left, whatever you wish to. Now other elbow. Now forehead. Beginners can find it difficult, they can go slow. It's fine if you are not able to touch. Now you have to repeat same thing for the other leg. Go slow. Make sure your core is tight. Tight in the sense you have to tuck in your core. Always remember that. Inhale and exhale always. Keep normal breathing. Beginners should be keeping normal breathing. Keep breathing. Don't forget to breathe. Now drop your knees down. Come in cat pose and then child pose. Take a moment here. Breathe and then leave this position. Now third workout. Sit in Vajrasana. Go in cat pose. Always remember, keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Don't forget. Drop your elbows on the floor. Means coming on the forearm. Now straighten your legs. We are coming into plank pose. Make sure your body is parallel. You have to move back and forth. This is amazing for full body. Yeah, you can do as much as you can. You can stop if you are feeling tired or uncomfortable. Now next plank is your legs is moving up and down. Make sure you're breathing. Don't forget, again and again I'm saying keep breathing. Always end up with child pose. Now next, legs straight, feet are pointing outward. This is goddess. Yeah. Make sure your alignment is perfect, your back straight, your core is tight, your hips are drawing downward. Yes, and your legs are 90 degree. Okay. Now your hips should be moving up and down first. Yes. Now bend sideways. Yeah. Make sure you're breathing. Don't forget to breathe. I'm falling. That's perfectly fine if you're falling, but keep breathing and keep doing it. Don't stop. Keep doing it. Yes. You can do this for 30 seconds or on the count of 10. You can do it for the 6th time. Beginners, please listen slowly and gentle. Coming to the last. This is a boat pose variation I call. And this is really good for your core. Your back should be straight. Your core should be tight. Make sure your legs alignment is perfect to the body. Lean backward slowly. Yes. Lift your lower legs up. Now straighten your legs if possible. If not possible, that's fine. Now drop your body and the legs 30 degree equally. Come up and go down. Make sure your body and the legs are equal in length. Yeah. If beginners are not able to do, no worries. There is another workout for you all. Thus, you have to roll with the boat. Yes, play with yourself. Your body will feel good and nice. It's like a baby. I used to play these board games. Now next. This is amazing. This is one of my favorite and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Sleep fully on the floor. Yeah. Hands above your head. Legs straight. Now raise your upper body in 30 degree and legs also 30 degree simultaneously. Keep doing this for 30 seconds or on the count of 10. Don't forget to breathe. Always keep normal breathing if you're a beginner, and if you are aware of the breathing patterns in the exercise, that's perfectly fine. Now get up and relax. So this was my magic workouts, 5 magic workouts, and hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. Bye.